From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon and happy Friday. I'm student meteorologist Sarah Munier, and let's get right into it. So looking at Beaver Stadium right now, it's at 36 degrees, crisp temperatures with barely any clouds in the sky. It may appear like very calm conditions, but with high winds, which I will get into, it's creating feels-like temperatures that are a lot lower than what our thermometers are saying. So continuing on to those feels-like temperatures, you can see right here in State College, we're sitting at 36 degrees, but with those winds, it feels like 26. Places like Harrisburg are at 40, but feel like 29. Du Bois, 33, feel like 23. So the main story is that they're about like 10 degrees off from each other. Places like Erie, 33, 24, and then all the way down in Philadelphia, they're 42, but feel like 33. And that's because of that strong winds that are really just coming off the lake and heading east, which I am just talking about right now. You can see it's not very strong over here towards the west, but as you get towards the eastern side of the Commonwealth, you'll see how those winds really pick up. Places like Harrisburg and Philadelphia, over 20 miles per hour they're experiencing right now. So definitely creating some very chilly conditions and below average from what we're experiencing from the year. Speaking of, you could see they're about 7 degrees, 8 degrees below average for this time of year. It is March, so meteorological spring, but it's really not feeling like that. But I do have good news for you because, well, zooming out first, you could see the whole really eastern seaboard is below average right now. But moving on to our 6 to 10 day outlook, you could see that we're going to start to warm up, and those conditions are going to be a little bit warmer and more spring-like, hopefully, than what we have been experiencing. However, as we move towards the west coast, you can see that really just the southwest, LA, Las Vegas, San Francisco, they're going to be in the colder areas, so they're going to drop below their average most likely for the 6-10 days coming ahead. So moving on, as you can see, it's our future weather. So by the afternoon, those clear skies are not going to be coming in any longer. Those clouds are going to roll in. Chances of rain down in the southern half, western half, are really going to see snow coming through. So if you're traveling today, maybe just be careful. The 80 doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty clear. And then as we go through Saturday morning and into Sunday, you'll see how those clouds clear out. A new system will move in with a new set of clouds and just chances of scattered snow showers, but nothing too impactful that will hurt your travel days or any other plans that you may have outdoors. So continuing on, as mentioned, the snow is really not that impactful at all. You could see maybe in the western areas, places like Franklin and Du Bois, they're going to get 1 inch of snow, but everywhere else, it's not even going to accumulate. It probably won't even stick. Maybe like 0.1 inches, 0.3 inches, nothing too impactful. So moving on for today, we're going to reach a high of 46 here in State College. However, it's probably not going to feel that warm because of those high winds and gusts. So watch out for those gusts because that might knock you off your feet, depending. And then moving on to our evening hours, as mentioned, those clouds will move in. There are chances of light snow as we go over into Sunday morning. And then speaking of, once we get there, by Saturday, you could see it will clear up a few clouds, and then that new system is going to head into Sunday morning. So for our 7-day outlook, as mentioned, we're going to have some cloudy conditions today. Those snow showers are going to come in overnight and head into early Saturday morning. That should clear out. Then a new system will come in with new clouds. And then by the work week, we're going to see some really clear skies, very sunny, higher conditions, more spring-like. And then as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, those rain chances with still warmer conditions will be ahead. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you have a really great day and a really great break. I'm Sarah Munier. Thank you.